Here's a trading edge. Hi, it's Charlie giving you Tuesday/Wednesday's video. I hope you're very well. What we see a lot in trading and traders is this need and this fixation with, I guess to an extent, excitement. And so, whereas really trading shouldn't be about chasing the most exciting market that might be on the move. So, and what it should be about is focusing on maybe fewer things and doing them right. So there's two ways you can trade. You could have a singular strategy which you apply through multiple markets, or you have a few strategies which you trade on just a few markets. But either way, you have a focus. You're either trading on a singular strategy, but that needs to be off across multiple markets, or the other way around. What I see a lot of over the years is traders just chasing the next big thing, the next exciting thing. So if I go to, for example, at the moment, if I go to oil, because oil's having a nice run, isn't it? So what you find, and there's nothing wrong with trading oil, if you trade oil regularly and or it's part of your watch list. But all of a sudden, oil's having a great run, and then you get people who have never traded oil before wanting to trade it. Or it could be in any market. So there's nothing wrong if you decide you want to get into trading oil, fine. Get into trading oil and that becomes part of your focus. But if you're one of these people who wants to jump from one market to the other, to the other, to the other, you don't understand the nuances of each of those markets. And what is likely is that because you're just chasing the latest hot thing, what's likely is that even if you trade it, you'll trade it badly. Because as soon as it has a pullback or a bit of price action that you're not used to, that you'll feel uncomfortable with, and then you'll be jumping out. Because you're just chasing the next hot thing. You've got in, because anyone can take a trade, but then you find yourself you can't hold on to it, even if you're in a winning position. And then you justify why you've come out early and da 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 da. All the reasons why people justify why they do things. So, but the reality why you've come out is because it's not a trade that you should be in, because you haven't invested enough time in that market. You're just chasing it because, oh, oil looks really good, I'm just going to buy oil. And realistically, if what you normally trade is stock market indices, well, stay with stock market indices then, or incorporate it as part of your plan to say, right, I trade stock market indices, but I want to gradually start to incorporate, let's say, oil into my overall plan. Fine. So then you're planning it out, you're learning about oil, you're understanding when the various news releases come out across a month, which can affect the oil price, and you're investing time into it rather than just saying oil's going up or natural gas is flying or whatever it might be, the next hot thing, and then you're getting involved in a market that you don't truly understand, and you, because you're chasing just purely the price action and the excitement of the price action, that it's likely that even if you're in a profitable trade with it, you won't trade it well. You'll tuck your stops up too tightly, your trading stops, or you'll jump out just as quickly as you jumped in. So having a focus in trading is just as important as anything else, as having a decent strategy. And so just bear in mind that you don't need to be out there trading every market that's out there. In fact, I learned many years ago that having a focus is better, because yes, I'm not chasing or necessarily trading the next hot stock or whatever, but I don't have any business of trading the next hot stock because I haven't done any research on that. It might just be that it's having a great run, but that's no good for me because I don't understand that stock, etc., etc. So if you do find yourself, being tempted and lured in, well, incorporate. It's fine if you want to incorporate it into your overall trading plan, and if there's a given market or markets that you want to do. But a lot of the time, one of the biggest failings that I see in traders is their inability to focus. Hopefully that gives you some food for thought today. Take care. I'll see you at the weekend.